Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2017 GMC Yukon? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2017 GMC Yukon distributes and safeguards power to major engine and vehicle systems. It controls functions like the engine, cooling fans, fuel system, headlights, and other essential components. Instrument panel fuse box right side. The right side instrument panel fuse box in the 2017 GMC Yukon protects and powers various interior electrical features. It controls components such as power windows, seats, mirrors, and other cabin accessories. Instrument panel fuse box left side. The left side instrument panel fuse box in the 2017 GMC Yukon supplies and protects power for interior systems. It manages features like the audio system, interior lighting, climate controls, and other driver-accessible functions. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2017 GMC Yukon provides power protection for rear area systems. It controls components such as the rear climate control, liftgate, trailer wiring, and rear power outlets. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.